In this video, we will be learning about repetition. We will be exploring repetition works and how you can use them to solve real-world problems. Repetition is a powerful concept in programming that allows us to perform the same task multiple times without having to write the same code over and over again. In Java, we have two main types of repetition, for loops and while loops. Let's start with the for loop. A for loop is a statement that allows us to execute a block of code a specific number of times. The syntax for a for loop looks like this. The initialization step is where we set the starting value for the loop variable. The condition step is where we specify the condition that must be true in order for the loop to continue executing. And the decrement step is where we specify how the loop variable should be updated after each iteration. Let's look at an example. Suppose we want to print the numbers from 1 to 10. We can use a for loop to do this. Here, we're using a loop variable I that starts at 1 and increments by 1 after each iteration. The loop continues executing as long as I is less than or equal to 10. And inside the loop, we're printing the value of I using the system.out.println method. That's the basic idea of a for loop. In the next part of this video, we'll take a look at while loops and how they differ from for loops.